Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the tow bar mounting bracket on the Cub Cadet Chipper Shredder, you will need a 1/2-inch socket with an extension, a 9/16" socket, and a 9/16" wrench. Your first step is to pull out the retaining pin securing the tow bar clevis pin. Slide out the clevis pin and remove the bar. Now tip the chipper shredder so it rests on the discharge chute. Use the 1/2-inch socket with the extension to unthread the bolts securing the tow bar mounting bracket to the engine mounting base. Next, use the 9/16" socket and wrench to unthread the 2 nuts and bolts securing the bracket to the base. You can now set the old bracket aside. To install the new tow bar mounting bracket, align it on the base and insert the front bolts. Slide on the washers and thread the nuts loosely. Holding the bracket up, thread and tighten the bolt to secure the bracket to the engine mounting base. Now tighten the nuts on the 2 front bolts. Return the chipper shredder to its upright position. Keeping the hitch plates tilted downward, insert the tow bar into the new mounting bracket. Slide in the clevis pin and secure it with the retaining pin. The chipper shredder should now be ready for use.